काँग्रेसीचो आमदार पक्ष सोडून भाजपान वतकीत मनोहर पर्रीकर सरकारान सुभाष शिरोडकराची जमीन विकती घेवन शिरोडकराक लाखोपती केला हे उक्ताडार आयला. सुभाष शिरोडकराची जमीन गरज नासतना 3,500 रुपया चौरस मीटर रुपयान विकती घेवन लोकांच्या कराचो पैसो इबाड केला म्हूण आदवोगाद आनी समाज वावुरपी आयरिश रॉड्रिगीजान लोकायुक्ता कडेन कागाळ केल्या.
I have filed a complaint before the Goa Lokayukta over the multi-crore land scam involving former Shiroda MLA Subhash Shirodkar. In my complaint, I have drawn the attention of the Goa Lokayukta to this gross act of maladministration. The Goa government has acquired orchard land belonging to Subhash Shirodkar and his brothers for a whopping cost of 70 crores. This is to reward Shirodkar for having over the last 1 year, despite being in the Congress, for having flirted with the BJP. Such cheap politics at taxpayers' expense is not acceptable. Now, any land acquisition has to be always for a particular purpose. This land, 1,82,000 square meters, which has been acquired by the Industries Department, has been acquired without knowing for what purpose that land will be used. This is totally unacceptable because the use of that land has to be very specific while acquiring any land.
सुभाष शिरोडकरान 2000 सन 45 रुपयान जागो विकतो घेतलेलो. तोच जागो आता 3,500 रुपयांक सरकाराक विकला. सरकाराक थळावो आनीक एक जागेकार 350 रुपयांक चौरस मीटर दर रुपयान दिवपाक तयार असताना ही जागा कित्याक घेतली असोय प्रश्न आयरिशान आपले कागाळीन केला.
This land being acquired by the government was purchased by Subhash Shirodkar in 2006 for 45 rupees a square meter. That same land has now been acquired by the government for a very hefty price of 3,500 a square meter. Interestingly, another landlord in Shiroda itself had written to the Chief Secretary and to the then Cabinet Advisory Committee that he had 1 lakh odd square meters which he was ready to give the government for just 350 a square meter. So when somebody is offering you for 350, what was the logic behind this government in acquiring this land for 3,500? This is a very clear case of bribery and corruption where Manohar Parrikar wanted to keep Subhash Shirodkar in good cheers, and he has done it at the cost of the taxpayer. So I've placed all the details before the Lokayukta. The Lokayukta Justice P.K. Mishra has issued notice to the Chief Secretary and sought his reply. He has been also directed to place all the records of this land acquisition before the Lokayukta.
लोकायुक्तान ह्या भ्रष्टाचाराच्या केसीची चौकशी 14 तारखेक दवरल्या अशें आयरिशान सांगले.
The matter has been now kept for hearing on the 14th of November. This is a very clear case of gross abuse of power, an act of maladministration which is not acceptable, and the total onus lies on Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar for having stooped to such levels in all his politics. In my complaint, besides Subhash Shirodkar, I've named Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar and the Chief Secretary as respondents because the government officers have bowed to the wrong orders of the Chief Minister and allowed this illegal, unlawful and unnecessary land acquisition to go ahead just for the sake of the pleasure of the Chief Minister in having Subhash Shirodkar at his beck and call. In any land acquisition, the payment is always made in one go. Strangely, in this case, in the Shiroda land acquisition case, the government decided that the payment will be made in installments. And this is very clear. They wanted to keep Subhash Shirodkar under the leash so that they can have him under their control. And that is the reason why the payment in this case was ordered to be made in installments. So this is a clear case of corruption.